Affordability means something different to everyone, but whether you want a bargain point and shoot or a great value mirrorless model, there are plenty of options out there to suit every budget. Cutting-edge cameras will always come at a premium, but that doesn't mean you need to spin the earth to find special photography equipment. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Sleek and stylish, the Pen E-PL9 from Olympus is a micro four thirds mirrorless camera defined by its versatile imaging capabilities and variety of in-camera creative controls. Using a 16.1 MP live MOS sensor and TruePic 8 image processor, a quick continuous shooting rate of 8.6 frames per second benefits working with moving objects, while a top sensitivity of ISO 25600 suits working in low light conditions. Its axis sensor shift image stabilization is also featured to reduce the camera shake's appearance by 3.5 stops for sharper handheld shooting. This camera is also configured for the selfie enthusiasts out there, including a 3-inch 1.04 m.1 180-degree tilting touchscreen LCD. For easier control when making front-facing portraits, Touch Shutter lets you tap to focus and shoot, and a variety of in-camera. Art filters can also be applied to enhance the look of your images creatively. However, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless image sharing, and remote camera control from a linked smartphone or tablet. Blending a stylish exterior with versatile image-making capabilities, the Fujifilm X-A7 is a sleek mirrorless camera capable of app stills and video recording. It features a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and can record UHD 4K video at 29.97 frames per second and FHD video at 59.94 frames per second, and full resolution continuous still shooting at up to 6 frames per second. This camera offers a retro-styled camel-colored exterior and features a large 16:9 ratio, 3.5-inch 2.76 m.2 touchscreen LCD. The screen has a free angle design too, which permits easy viewing from high and low angles and front-facing angles for perfectly framed selfies. Plus, it also sports built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing wireless image sharing and remote camera control from paired mobile devices. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will enable you to wirelessly share imagery and remotely control the camera from a linked mobile device. The built-in pop-up flash provides an additional illumination when working in low light, and the super intelligent flash technology automatically balances flash output according to your scene. Next up on the list, we have the Sony Alpha A6000 mirrorless digital camera. It features a 24.3 MP APS-C sized Exmor APS HD CMOS sensor and Bionise X image processor to produce high-resolution still images and full HD movies with marked low light quality sensitivity to ISO 25600. The 3-inch 921K dot extra fine LCD screen features a tilting design to facilitate more comfortable use from high and low angles and incorporate white magic technology to better view bright conditions. It uses a Sony E-mount 16 to 50mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS retractable zoom lens, which provides a 35mm equivalent focal length range of 24 to 75mm. Its power zoom technology allows for electronic control over the zoom position and the inclusion of one extra low dispersion element. 4 aspherical elements help reduce chromatic aberrations throughout the zoom range and contribute to high overall sharpness. Additionally, a multi-interface shoe is available for attaching external flashes, continuous lights, or microphones. Up next on the list, with the GoPro Hero 7 digital action camera. This camera records 1920 by 1440 video at 60 to 30 frames per second in a 4:3 aspect ratio, and this image can be cropped in the companion GoPro app into a 1080p 60 by 30 image in 16 by 9. It shoots 10MP photos and provides an easy way of capturing selfies and group photos using the photo timer feature. The vertical photo capture feature allows you to physically turn the camera into portrait mode and shoot portrait photos that you can directly upload to Instagram, Snapchat, and other destinations without any image resizing. This camera is 33 feet waterproof without a housing and has a rugged, rubberized enclosure. Control your camera hands-free with voice commands like GoPro take a photo and GoPro start recording. The Sony CyberShot DSC RX100 digital camera is a versatile and advanced point-and-shoot, featuring a large 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RCMOS sensor to produce high-resolution still imagery and full HD video. The sensor's design utilizes backside illuminated technology to improve clarity and image quality when working in dimly lit conditions and increase the sensitivity to a native ISO 12800. The built-in Zeiss Vario Sonar T 2.9x zoom lens provides a 35mm equivalent focal length range of 24 to 70mm, covering wide-angle to portrait-length perspectives to suit working in a wide variety of environments. It features a unique pop-up mechanism that helps maintain the camera's compact form factor when carrying, or if preferring to work with the rear screen. Furthermore, a built-in 3-stop ND filter is incorporated into the camera's design to suit shooting in bright conditions with wider apertures and greater control over how movement is depicted. Compact, easy to use, and versatile are all traits of the Nikon D350, which is designed to be as flexible and intuitive as possible, while still offering the imaging capabilities you expect from a DSLR. Utilizing a DX format 24.2 MP CMOS sensor and Expeed 4-image processor, the D350 provides a native sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 25,600 to suit working in various lighting conditions. Complementing the imaging capabilities also features SnapBridge, which utilizes Bluetooth connectivity for wireless sharing of images to your mobile device, including automatic sharing of 2MP images between the camera and your mobile device. The lightweight camera body incorporates a 3-inch 921K LCD screen for live view monitoring and image review and catering to first-time DSLR owners. This camera also features a helpful guide mode to help achieve specific photographic looks or techniques, such as producing a shallow depth of field of imagery in a useful, step-by-step manner. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned to the channel for more videos.